if the average, that is the arithmetic mean of 3, 6, 10, m and n is 9, what is the average of m plus 4 plus the average of m plus 4 and n negative 2? So we want to find the average of n plus 4 and n negative 2. That's what we want to find. So, like I've been explaining past, anytime you're given problems like this, it is best you begin to find the solution of the problem statement by statement. That is, try to demystify each statement before you move to the next statement. So the first statement I'm giving here is, if the average of 3, 6, 10, m and n is 9, that's the first information I'm given, then what's the average of m plus 4 and n negative 2? Now, without mincing words, I'm going to neglect this second one and then start with the first one. So based on the first information I'm given, I'm told the mean of 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the average of that is going to be 3, say 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus m plus n. So the mean is the sum divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. That's going to be the mean, and we're told this is equal to 9. So let me find m plus n here. So you cross multiply. So you have 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus m plus n equals 5 times 9. That is 45. Now 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 10. That is 19. So you have 19 plus m plus n equals 45. So this is what you have. Now, so since 19 plus this is 5, to find m plus n, so I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. So you have m plus n equals 45 minus 19. So this is going to be m plus n equals 45 negative 19 is going to give you 26. So from the first statement, I've been able to establish a relationship between m and n to be 26. So what the second statement says is, it says find the average of m plus 4 and n negative 2. So there are two numbers here. So for the second statement, it says find the average. So the average of m plus 4 and n negative 2. So to find the average of this is just going to be the sum divided by 2. So the average is just equal to m plus 4 plus n negative 2 divided by 2. So this is just going to be m plus 4 plus n negative 2 divided by 2, which is going to be, so you have 4, it's going to be m plus n. Now 4 negative 2, that is 2 divided by 2. So I could simplify this further. So it's like you have m plus n is affected by 2, so this is just going to be m plus n divided by 2. Then also 2 is also affected by 2, so you can just say plus 2 divided by 2. So this is just going to be m plus n divided by 2 plus 1. Now from what we have here m plus n equals 26. So I'm going to make the substitution in here. So this becomes m plus n, which is 26 divided by 2 plus 1. So that is just going to give us 26 divided by 2 is 13 plus 1, and that is 14. So our answer is 14. So the average is 14. So that completes the problem anyway. Thanks for watching.